Welcome to AbRuler. We put power in the hands of the abalone diver. So AbRuler is a web-based tool which takes length information from your catch to inform and provide better fisheries management of the red abalone fishery in Northern California. So this instructional video will show you how to navigate and upload photos to the AbRuler website. If you're interested in learning more about what we're doing, I recommend that you read this top section and then click on the Read More About the AbRuler to learn all about some of the cool science that we're doing with the abalone fishery. So down here at the bottom of the website is an example of a picture of an abalone shell and a US quarter. It also has some really great tips for taking good quality photos for the website. So this web tool requires that you have internet access. Since most beaches on the North Coast do not have cell service, we envision divers catching their abalone and bringing their catch home, and then using this tool while they're cleaning their abalone. So taking photos right before they clean their abalone at their own house, as opposed to on the beaches. Alright, so next we'll go through the process of uploading your photos. So the first thing you're going to do is click on the Choose File button right here. And this will let you select your file that you want to upload. And once you double click on that, you'll see it pop up on the bottom part of the website. So I'm doing this on my computer, but you can also use a smartphone to take photos and upload those photos. If you are using a smartphone, when you click the Choose File button, it'll ask you to either take a picture from your camera roll, or you can take a picture immediately and upload that photo. So smartphones work really well, and you can use that if you don't want to use a computer. Alright, so now I'm going to go through some of the tips for taking good quality photos. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you're using a US quarter for scale, and that it's about 2 inches below the abalone shell. The longest side of the abalone should be parallel to the longest side of the photo, just like that. And you want to make sure that your abalone is centered with a few inches of space on all sides, and that it has good contrast with a solid colored background behind it. Make sure that any tags or clips are tucked underneath the shell of the abalone so that you get the most accurate measurement. Alright, so this photo looks pretty good. Now we're going to add the location code. You want to click right here on Choose Location Code and find the location you caught your abalone at. So you'll notice that these are the same sites that you find on your abalone tags that you turn in every year. So this abalone was caught at McCarricker State Park, so I'm going to click on that. And then also select the photo date by clicking the line right underneath it. This abalone was caught on June 25th, so I'm going to select that date. And you can include your name as well. So the name is optional. If you don't feel like inputting it, you don't have to. Now we're all ready to calculate the abalone size. So I'm going to click that button. And it takes about up to 15 seconds to upload the picture to the server and measure it. And there we go. So the calculated length is 8.16 inches, and this bar shows where the AbRuler tool measured the abalone. So most of the time it's pretty good, but sometimes if the tag's sticking out or some of the abalone meat is sticking out, it could be a little bit off. So what you can do if the measurement does look off is click on the Adjust Size button, and this will let you manually adjust the size of the bar. So in order to do that, you're going to click on the little circle right here. So you click once, and then you can move it out or in, and you want to place it right on the edge of the abalone shell, where the edge of the abalone shell meets the background. Then you're going to click again to lock that in place, and I'm going to do the same on the other side. Click once, which frees the edge. Get it right next to the abalone shell. Click again, and that'll lock it in place. And you can use the same technique for the little bar down here, which measures the US quarter length. Alright, so our measurement looks great. I'm going to click Save Changes. And now we have our old calculated length of 8.16 inches and the new adjusted length of 8.01 inches. Next, we can add a rating to this picture. So this is feedback that lets us know how the measurement went. Is it way off? Is it close enough? Or is it perfect? And you can include additional feedback on this line as well. And if you're interested, you can include your email, which will let you stay in touch with us and will let us send you updates regarding the online abalone ruler. So if you're interested and want to stay involved, definitely recommend including your email. And lastly, you can get a pro tip by clicking this button down here. So pro tips come from some of our the most experienced abalone divers here on the North Coast, and they're all tips to make you a better abalone diver. So it's our way of saying thank you for uploading your photos to the website. So there's some really great information on it. Alright, so that's it for the video. I hope it was informative. Thank you for watching, and keep uploading those photos to abruler.com.